Bang, bang, bang! We have been getting super lucky the last week or so with all of these basics that we're getting in, guys. It's Wheel Collectors, your favorite. We got in, this is going to be short card, Q case, which we're going to open for you. But real quick, before we open it for you, I want to remind you of all the giveaways we're going to do. The second round of huge giveaways. We got 2 sets of retro. We got 2 winners for the Gran Turismo. 2 sets of Car Culture L case. 3 of Gran Turismo 2. We've got the Super Treasure Hunt Porsche. Is sick. And then we've got the 2 Zamac 8 car sets video that we did last night. Or let's see, what night was that? Thursday night. The drawing's going to be here on September 14th. So I hope you guys are going to join us. We're giving away a lot more. We're going to give away at least 2 more cases of stuff between here and September 14th. So be sure you're subscribing and commenting. Okay, here we go. Q case. This is short cards. Again, super interesting to see some of the minor differences or major differences between long cards and short cards. As usual on basic, we'll give you a top-down view here, and then we'll go 3 by 3 like we do. Here we go. Check it out. Here's the top-down view of the short card Q case. And I'm going to highlight the super cool newer models that are in Q, just in case you haven't seen them yet. So, the first 3 in Q, the Baja Hauler, and then 2 Porsche Panamera Polices, which to me this car is super cool. Polizia, it says on the side. The next 3, we've got the Piranha Terror, which you guys have seen that before. We've got the Dodge Charger, which was new for Q case, with the sweet Hot Wheels tampos on it. 69 Dodge Charger. And then the smoking hot Porsche 911 GT3. This is also the Super in Q case, and we've only seen a couple of them, and we're giving away 1 to a commenter or subscriber on the Q case long cards. But whew, that Porsche is unbelievable. The next 3 in the case are Rig Heat, which you guys have seen. The Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT with the crazy skirt on the front. But it's got the Golf tampos, which everybody loves Golf. The next 3 in the case, we've got Rising Heat, which you guys have seen. We've got Flash Drive. We've got the Chevy Nova Wagon. Got like the tie-dye with the E on it. The next 3 in the case, we've got the Skull Shaker, which I think that's pretty sweet. Got the little guy in there driving it, the Bone Shaker. We've got the Shelby GT500 Super Snake. That one's pretty sweet. I'd love to drive a Super Snake. Then we got the Justice League Batmobile. The next 3 are 3 that you've seen. It's got the Sandivore, and then it's got 2 high beams. And yes, the when you're opening this in a photo box, the basic cases can get a little unwieldy here. Then you got what I think is a cool car, the custom Ford Maverick. Got the silver paint on it. The T-Rex Stroyer and the Mazda Miata. That one I believe is new for Q. I've opened so many cases here in the last 2 weeks, I'm not sure, to be honest with you. I'm getting them a little mixed up. The next three are two HW Pursuits, and then the classic 55 Nomad. It says Speed Shop, Hot Wheels Speed Shop on it. Okay, this one's cool. We've got the Ford Focus RS. We've got the Mazda RX-7. And then we got the Treasure Hunt. We'll take a look at that. Here's the Ford. The Mazda RX-7 green. That color is sweet. Check out this. This is the T-Hunt in Q case. And I'm loving it. It's, you know, a 67 Camaro, obviously. It's got the little T-Hunt logo right there on the back. There's the T-Hunt. The next three in the case are the Nova Wagon Gasser, the Ford Ranger Raptor, and the Bogzilla. You've seen the Bogzilla. But the Nova Wagon got the engine popping out. And then the Ford Ranger Raptor with the checkered tampo on the top of it. The next three, we've got Rig Heat, and we've got two exotics. The last three on the top are the Tomb Up, which was new for Q. The Guaczilla, which came out, I feel like that was out in the spring. Super cool Nissan GTR. And the Skyboat. Okay, so the bottom half of the case, we'll do a top down of it for you real quick. You can see the Lamborghinis down there popping out. You can see some of the Jaguars popping out. Okay, here we go. Halfway through the case. We've got the track rippers, which you've seen, and we've got the fast gassing. We've got the super cool yellow Mustang 2x2 fastback with the Detroit logo on the side. And then you've also got the Mercury Cougar with some cool ghost flames on it, or whatever you want to call those. The white rims. Oh yeah. The next three of Q were super good. Range Rover Velar short card. That's just a smoking car right there, the Range Rover. The Aston Martin Vulcan is another special model. Check that out. There was two of those in the bottom together. The next three are the Quick Bite, and then the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. This was 2 in this particular case code. Check that thing out. Whew. Q case is just unbelievable, guys. Q case has a lot of goodies in it. Got a lot of goodies for a lot of different crowds. Oh, here's another goodie. Got the kit cart. Then you got 2 of the gray mod rods. Check this thing out here. Unbelievable. Q case makes me smile, guys. Q case makes me smile. Then we've got the Z rod. We've got the Roadster. Then we got the blue Alpine, which was a fan favorite. First time I've ever seen an Alpine. This is the A110. I don't know how many models Alpine makes. Okay, we're down to the very tail end of this thing. We got the Oldsmobile W30 on Monster Jam tires there, wheels. And we got 2 Tesla Model 3s. Next 3 in the case. We got the red Challenger drift car. Then we got the awesome Morris Mini. People always love the Morris Minis. Super cool. Okay, we're at the very tail end here. We got 12 cars left. I'm going to pull out the box. Here's the 12 cars. Give us a little room here. Right here we've got the Roger Dodger 2.0, the Driftsta, and the El Viento. I think you guys have seen those before. Okay, we got another kit cart. We got 2 of the Lamborghini Reventon Roadsters. Got the sweet stripe down the middle. That's a super cool model. The last 6 cars. We've got another Olds 442 W30. We've got 2 of the Diora 3. And then the last 3. We've got a Jaguar they haven't done in a while. And then we got the 67 Shelby GT500. Here's a close-up of the orange Jag. Look at that. Jaguar XJ220. Bright orange. Then we got the 67 Shelby GT500. The red with the flames on it. Again, Q case, as you can see, was just a super special case. I'm going to line it up here for you so you can get a top-down view. Again, thank you for joining us. Don't forget, on September 14th, we're going to do the giveaway. Here's a top-down view. Of Q case. Some of the highlights of Q. Q case was just special, guys. Thanks again for joining us. It's Wheel Collectors. We appreciate you.